Okay, just another quick video, just another quick little job I'm doing. I have ordered some electric fans and a kit to wire it all in, but while I'm waiting for that I'm doing other jobs. So seeing as the water temperature gauge seems a bit iffy, I thought, well, the first thing to check is the temperature sensor for that, just to be sure that that's not out of spec. Then before I sort of taking the gauge apart at the top, if I end up having to do that, I just wanted to be sure the sensor's okay. I watched a few videos of people taking it out from the top with a socket and taking that off, but basically I just undid the warm-up regulator and pulled it out of the way, and it's 19mm. Just get a 19mm socket on it and it undoes quite easily. As far as the wiring goes, I've watched a few vids, and the blue, you see the blue and yellow one, apparently that goes to the gauge, and then the other one I think is a warning light, I believe. I'm not quite sure, but I know the blue and yellow one goes to the one that's got some continuity. So it's not completely connected to the earth on the engine, but there's some continuity there. Reads about 1 ohm or whatever, whereas the other one, there's no continuity at all, which is where the green wire goes to. That's kind of as the old one was wired up. I just put the old one as it was wired up, you can see on these. So that's the old one. See, the connection's a bit crappy actually, I should have cleaned that up a bit better, but you see how there's one spade that's bigger than the other. The one that is bigger is the one that has some continuity. A 0.1 ohm or 0.95 or something like that. I think the one I've put on was 0.1, and then the one I took off was 0.95 or 85, something. It changed a little bit, so maybe that means it's slightly out of spec, but I just thought I'd just change it. So basically the bigger spade goes to the blue and yellow wire, and then the smaller one is the sort of greeny coloured wire. You didn't get a new sealing ring with it, but that's not the end of the world. I've just reused the old one, but you can see I've cleaned a bit off, but it's quite tarnished and cacked up, so it may not have been reading quite as it should. So I just thought I'd share that with you, how to change that. I've on with cleaning up some of the earths, I found, put a new earth underneath, various bits like that. So yeah, just a quick one, just changing the water temp sensor.